What's up, Leche fans? We're back in 2022 here in Miami Beach, and we are at the lovely Vizcaya Museum and Gardens here. And from what I've heard, this place is the bomb dig, so let's go check it out. Mr. De Leon himself. Scanorama here. Boom. Yeah, this is just like Puerto Rico. It's like Tony Montana's mansion. You F with me, you F'ing with the best. See where this goes.
Is it mission or view of sale? Is it mission or view of sale?
It's time for an Americano. Let's see what they got. All right, we just had our coffee, took a break. This nifty gift shop. Let's see the rest of this place. Build a tree house, live out my days up there. Oh my holy God. Oh, look at this. Sympathesius. I'm pretty sure I've seen this in The Godfather. Oh, it's probably several. Making him an offer he can't refuse. about to wrap things up here at Vizcaya Museum and Gardens, and I am just blown away by the magnificence of this place. You know, with a view like this, you can't go wrong. Anyway, thanks for following. Smash that like button on Travel is Leche, and I will see y'all very soon.